So I had previously talked about our pure henna in addition to our indigo with some amla powder to get our natural brown colors. The question is, will it cover those stubborn grays? The simplest answer is yes. It is completely capable of covering those grays in one application. The only thing is, if you are new to henna, or if you have previously chemically dyed your hair and are new to henna, if you are coming back to henna but have chemically dyed your hair, or if you are coming back to henna and it's been a minute, it may take a second application for it to really grab onto your hair color, since grays are coarser hair that have lost their pigmentation. It is hard for them to grab onto that color, whereas the hair that isn't gray still has that pigmentation, so it's easier to grab on. So it can take a second application for those grays to really get that color. But as soon as you get into the habit of using henna and it becomes a routine, it will take one step to cover those grays. Another thing is we always recommend using brewed coffee or brewed tea as a liquid base to deepen and darken that hair color. And for grays specifically, we recommend using 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar or 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. So the amount of apple cider vinegar that you add to the mixture depends on how much product you're using and the length of your hair. So short to medium to something like my length of hair, we would use 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, where if your hair is around here and longer, you would use 2 to 3 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Henna mixture, it affects everyone's hair differently, so it's trial and error, and anything that works best for you, your specific hair, and the hair color you want. So as you become regular with henna and get to know henna and you get to know more about your hair and how it works with your hair, it will become much easier to figure out which mixture works best for you. So once you're regular, used to it, after the first application, it will cover your grays in one step. No problem.